met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad.
Good morning, guys. We are going to Rye. We are actually on our way to pick up our friends, and then we're gonna go to Rye. It's just a day trip. We rarely get to be off on the same day, all four of us. So whenever we can, we're getting out of London and we're trying to visit as many places as possible. And today we chose Rye just because it's close to London. It's about 2 hours driving. We have quite a lot of things to do there. We want to see the natural reservation. There's like a park around there. There's a market today because it's Thursday, and they have a Thursday market with like vintage antiques and like all of that, so that's gonna be fun. And we'll see what we're gonna eat there. Hopefully something really nice and tasty, and of course I'll keep you updated. Hopefully it's gonna be a lovely and sunny day.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he'd wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man searching for glory. I took out an old